when we say the word civilization, each of us sometimes comes up with different words. But if you go to the etymology and look at what does civilization actually mean and where does this word originate from, you will find that it is a Latin word, and the root is a word civis, or from which comes civil, and what it really means is citizen. So while we have various connotations about culture and various other aspects, living as a group and everything, the fundamental meaning seems to be citizen. So when you say the word citizen, then it comes up with a whole lot of other implied meanings. It means that it is an organized society. It is not just a group living as is together, but a group which is organized, a group which has organized itself to be able to also govern itself and have some form of code of conduct, which is why you have the word civilized, which also implies that there is a code of conduct behind it. It's not just random living. So when with all these kind of implied meanings, then when you say it is a Hindu civilization, then it also means that this Hindu group of people have been living in an organized form, and it's a place where there have been people who have considered themselves as citizens of this civilization. The next question will then be, so how old is it? From how long have we been having this kind of a form of organized living? So we'll just play a very, very small film for you for that.
As per the Indian Constitution, this land is called India, that is, Bharat.
Why does this country have two names? Why is India called Bharat?
The word Bharat etymologically stands for Bha, that is light, the spreading of light, the knowledge which comes with the spreading of light, and Rat, one who is a connoisseur of knowledge. The spread of this land is also expressed in the literature of the land. In the Rigveda, Rishi Vishwamitra describes the people living in this land as Bharatam Janam. The word Janam means people, citizens.
Bharat is the land where people relish knowledge.
So we see very clearly here that as early as 7,000 years ago, Rishi Vishwamitra in the Rigveda very clearly speaks about Bharatam Janam, citizens, people coming together. And obviously Rishi Vishwamitra has interacted with the father of Rama, that is Raja Dashratha, where he's talking about this. So you have this idea of a civil society going back 7,100 years and ago. So we look at the antiquity of land, look at the idea. He is not talking about the citizenry of Ayodhya alone. He's not talking about the Kosala kingdom. That was a kingdom of Raja Dashratha, which is why he's called Kosala Rama. But he's talking about citizenship of the whole land of Bharat. So look at the beauty of it. So that ancient is idea of citizenship of this land. So it's not that India is from 1947 when we got independence from British, but it goes back 7,100 years and more is the beauty of what we are trying to express here in this short film.
And therefore this Hindu civilization goes as back at least, because he's talking about it from Veda, and the Veda were last recompiled only around 5,000 years ago. When they were composed actually is very hard to tell. And here we can see Vishwamitra telling Raja Dasharatha, that is the times of Rama. And so this idea of civilization and of the Hindus is coming from a very, very long time.